Okay, today I'm going to be restoring some ashtrays. I've got the 71 Catalina in the 4-door hardtop. I already have a dashboard completed for that. I am just missing a driver's side ashtray, which I actually just found on eBay. And it's actually in pretty good shape. It's got a lot of surface rust inside, but the outside looks pretty good. So I'm going to be media blasting this. I'm going to get rid of the green paint, and I'm just going to prime it black for right now because I'm not ready to paint the other interior trim yet. But it will be satin black like the dashboard is going to be. I'm just painting it with a different paint, obviously, than the vinyl dye. But this is in pretty good shape. I'm just going to separate the bearings that it rides on, and also I'm going to be blasting a couple of these tops. This is for a passenger side. It's a little thinner, and it's got the provision for the light. Okay, for the actual separation, pulling this apart, you really only got to pry it a little bit off, and then when you're reassembling it, you're going to bend this back so you have a nice tight fit. But for right now, I'm just going to get 2 sets of the ball bearings off, and that's just it, just popping it right off. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. I'm going to sandblast this. Hopefully I can retain this rubber here. If not, I'm going to have to go out and look for some new bands that are similar thickness and size, overall size. But this, as you can see, is pretty crusty inside. I have a feeling it's going to clean up really nice. There's no really deep pits in here. I don't know what this is a rivet there, so. But the outside of it's in pretty good shape. Okay, here's where I'm at. I've got the lids that they glide on. I've got those all blasted. Thankfully the rubber didn't come off on either one. Again, when you reassemble these tabs just have to be bent in ever so slightly before you put the ball bearings back in. So it's kind of a trick. Here's the holder for the center ashtray. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up with some steel wool. I will probably prime this now just to get it out of the way, and before I reassemble it, just so I can handle it a little better. But right now I just got to clean everything up. Okay, here's the final product. Came out nice. It's primed, got all the edges, kind of masked it off nicely. And I will be painting it as soon as I do the other interior trim for the car. It's all going to be a satin black along with the dashboard. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!